Hello all, in the previous videos we have seen interfacing the nodemcu and then MQ4 sensor and then I2C LCD to Arduino Uno, right? So we have powered the MQ4 sensor, the LCD from the Arduino Uno. So Arduino Uno, if you see, has a limited number of supply and ground pins, right? Like example, if you see here, see, there are only few 5 volt pins and ground pins. Like if you want to use the Arduino Uno for more mm, um, power connectivity, like if you want to power the external devices with more of these Arduino Uno pins, you have something called Arduino Shield. Okay, so Arduino Shield is something you can use in your board, and then like you can plug this Arduino Uno to this, and then you can extend the functionality of these pins to several pins. You can see here in the Arduino Uno there are several pins, the power, ground, SCL, SDA. So you can use this and connect it. Now how to mount the Arduino Uno on the shield? Like if you have the same shield that we have from the same vendor, you can clearly see that it plugs in directly into the connectors easily. Okay, and this is how it mounts. So that the 2-pin black connector, the power connector of Arduino shield should be towards the power connector of Arduino. You can see it plugs in directly. You can see now there is a gap of 2 pins here, but they get connected, don't worry. Okay, this is how Arduino shield helps. And this is one case where you feel the need of Arduino shield. So if you are buying Arduino Uno and if you are planning to use the Arduino Uno for various purposes, connectivity purposes, if you want to interface the board with different things, ensure that you buy Arduino shield, which is very important. Now after connecting the Arduino shield, you can see how simple it looks like. So just one to one, all the pins together, no intermediate breadboard required, and there are many pins still available on Arduino shield, and this we are particularly using for I2C. So in future we want to connect one more I2C device and then work on it, so that's why there is a separate I2C breadboard that is connected, so it has become simpler, right?